Welcome to America's best value in Cedar City, where comfort meets affordability with a backdrop of stunning mountains. Step inside and meet our warm and welcoming staff, eager to make your stay unforgettable. Sink into our meticulously designed guest rooms, where cozy beds and contemporary conveniences, including complimentary Wi-Fi and safes. Wake up to a complimentary Continental Breakfast to start your day off right, and enjoy BBQ facilities too. Have a relaxing time at the swimming pool with sun loungers and ample parking space. Our hotel is strategically situated close to attractions like the Utah Shakespearean Festival and the Southern Utah Museum of Art. This makes it an excellent choice for travelers seeking both adventure and local culture. Additionally, it is within convenient walking distance of Southern Utah University and CDC Cedar City Regional Airport. For business or leisure trips, America's best value in Cedar City is your home away from home. To book us, call 435-867-4700 or visit www.americanbestvalueincedarcity.com.